This is it, man. This is it. We going for a ring, man. Nothing else don't matter, man. But each other today. That's what loyalty is. Loyalty is going inside your heart and find out who you really are. Make sure you look at your teammate today and you come out and you give pure hell today. This team ain't ready for us. Let's prove that they ain't ready for us. Oh! Let's go. What time is it? Game time! Game time! Game time! Game time! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, man! Hunt the ball! Let's go, family on three! 1, 2, 3, family!
GTII is looking absolutely insane. Chart looks parabolic on the weekly. Basically, any viewing window you look at, it's just crazy. But one thing I want to show you is back-to-back weekly all-time high volume. So we saw last week it was 10.8, which was all-time high, and then in only 3 trading days we saw 23.1 million, absolutely smashing that, more than doubling it. So it's going to show the buyer interest is through the roof, retail is going crazy, and this is truly global news. I mean, everyone's talking about this stock. What's it going to do next? Where's it going to go? We'll get into all that in a moment. So the past 7 days, we've seen 18.3 million shares short. This is absolutely insanity. It's insane. Okay, all-time high daily volume, all-time high short volume. But before this 7-day period, we have to understand that GTII did not really trade that much. The 3-month average was only 134,000. And if we look back, what are we noticing? Well, same thing, 84, 150, 149, 91,000. I mean, this is nothing. A stock like AMC would trade the 3-month average volume in a 1-minute candle. The first minute, 9:30 to 9:31, it would trade more than GTII's 3-month average volume. So please take in mind to what extent or how parabolic these numbers are here, just exponentially insane. So 18.3 million shares short, plus the company dropped the warrant price from $2.75 to $2. That means an additional 8 million shares short go live. So that is now 26.3 million shares short in only 1 week or the past 7 trading days. This is insane. And this is why I think it's going to be jet fuel, or we're going to blast into a new galaxy here. So obviously the charts are insane no matter what viewing window you look at, the weekly, the daily. Smash this wedge, just continuing to make higher highs, higher lows, which is great, this ascending level of support. But my favorite viewing window is the 5-minute. As we could see, the same thing, it continues to make higher highs here. So it used to be $1, then $1.77, then $2.49, now $2.68. So the closes keep going. And also, we're keep breaking the tops. So what I'm looking for today, just on a conservative note, is over $3, right? I want to see the trend continue. So if we break $2.99, the trend continues. Okay, slow and simple. Not going to jump to crazy conclusions here. And I know people keep asking me these same 3-4 questions. Is it too late to get in? Am I going to be able to buy the dip? Or is there going to be a dip buying opportunity? And then 3, where's it going to go to? I've said this so many times, and I really, on this channel, or me as a person, I like to educate, and I want people to be self-sufficient. I don't want them to depend on me or, slaving to every time I type to reassure them or to, make their financial decisions for them. That's not the goal of my channel. A lot of other people, they like that. They like the power of influence. They want to tell you everything, what to do, when to do it. That's not me. I told you guys to buy the stock at 50 cents, 40 cents, 60 cents, 80 cents. No one wanted to buy it. It went to $1. People asked, is it going to dip? It went to $2. People asked, going to dip. So hopefully you understand the trend. Now, I did give a lot of examples, and I'll do it again. This is just repeating from my video last time. So AMTD is an example I think can happen very quickly with GTII. This does not mean it's the ceiling. This does not mean it's going to do this. But here's other examples to where it went from $1.75 to $14 in a very short period of time. We've seen HKD do similar things like that, $12 to $2,500, right? These are all low float companies. Okay, ATXG, seen the same thing, right? From a low of $12.95 to $1,400 or $1,100, excuse me. So there are a lot of different plays in which I think this could replicate. Okay, does it mean that it's definitely going to do that? No. Does it mean it's going to go to thousands of dollars? No. I don't want to spoon feed you that because I don't know if that's the case. I have no idea. And a lot of people think I have this crystal ball. I don't. If I knew where it was going to go to, I wouldn't be here. So this is all a calculated guess. My opinion is that it's going to, obviously run a couple thousand%, but I'm just not sure where the top's going to be. I don't know what the bottom's going to be. On a conservative note, I'd like to say it's going to break all-time highs, which is about 455. I don't know what's going to happen after. Okay, so please, you keep asking me. You have to make that decision yourself. I think it has potential to do incredible things, but do I think it's going to go to 3, 4, 5,000 a stock? No, I don't. But could it? Sure, it could. That's the difference. Is it has the potential to do it? Will it do it? That I don't know. So hopefully I made that clear for you guys. Most people kept asking me if they're going to get a dip buying opportunity. When it was $1, it kept going. Then they asked at 150, it kept going. $2, it kept going. So like I said, please understand the trend is I'm not telling you what to do. This is not financial advice. But if it was me, I would just buy the stock. Okay, it's going up, it's running. Anytime it dips, buy it. Or if you're worried about putting too much position size in it, put half of your position size, and if it dips, buy more. If not, have a starter position, buy 100 shares, buy something that's financially feasible so that you have a little skin in the game just in case it runs and you don't get that opportunity. So again, that's my perspective on GTII. I think it's absolutely crazy how much they're shorting. Just taking a look again last time at the daily volume, look at it. It was nothing here. What is this? 30,000. 20,000, 100,000. I mean, there was no volume trade in the stock. And then all of a sudden, now we're just seeing crazy, crazy parabolic numbers. So that is my view on it. They're shorting to death. They're digging their own grave. And this truly has a chance to be a play of the year, an opportunity of a lifetime. So take it for what you want. That is my 2 cents on it. Hope you guys enjoy the day. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.